Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Please, if you come across this video, kindly like and follow our page, Asabro Talk Show. The issue on ground today, Wamudiani, a brother called in. He called me like, please. He wrote me first. Can I have your number? I said, okay, anything. He said, please, I just want to talk to you. I gave him my number on inbox. So he placed a call to me. Actually, he did. He was like, sister, I want to have a word with you, and I want you to help me pass it to the world. I want to hear. I tried like stopping him. He said, no, I think walk back banana. I am in a severe pain and a tight corner. I said, okay, I will tell it to the world. And he will be looking or watching our comments. He will hear from us. And our advice, please, let's be fair and realistic. We shouldn't do it judgmental, like because I be woman or because I be man. I need amiable men and women in the house. So please, iron this issue out with me. This brother said he has been married for a couple of years, which he told me the number of years. And his wife is in Nigeria. Please, let's listen attentively, Walao. He said the wife is in Nigeria. And normally he goes to Nigeria every year, most of the time, twice, 4 times in a year. Una know say Akate dey pass each other. Akate get stage, he get great. So he said he goes to Nigeria often, every year, yearly. But as we all know, now God they give pikin, not be power, not be strength. His amiable wife couldn't bear him a child. So, after a couple of years, he said he waited for years, which he told me the number. I will be telling you when the question and answer is popping in. He said, you know, as he be my sister, I be man. Now I say, oh God, no. He want him, Baba. And age is not on his side. Listen well. He said, although his wife has pleaded with him, like, please, let's go for IVF. He said he bluntly refused because it's not his thing. Like, for what? I can really do it. He said, although all these years, he did not play hanky-packing games because he truly loved his wife. It got to a time he was not Baba Damo Salavism. Mr. Fosa Satuave. He got to a time he said, let me just do it as others do it. Let me see if the fault is coming from me. He said he played jambo with a woman uptown. Lo and behold, the woman was pregnant. Are you getting it? He said the woman can't born. He can't born one. Play. Labatu. And meanwhile, he said the one with theirs, he don't know, fear not let it tell the one with theirs. That is his problem now. And the one with there, Webo, he not still know, say, he get Okwofel, Owa, Egbeva, good morning, God bless you, sister. He said the one with still there, Naja, no. And the one with do Obodo Yibo, no, say, what here where Ijowa first wife they has. He is in a state of dynamics. Ebonigba. Omagba wa ni atize. So he now cried out like, oh, God bless you, love Lolo, God bless you. The uncle na, the epa na kon cry come na say sister Asaboro we are here like me. You know epa ona go me bu because me mejo won there. But the little I know, I told him he was not okay with it. He said he needs advice. He's in here watching. He said he needs advice. I should please try my best to do it in English or pidgin English. He wants to, no work, daddy. He wants to get a collective sense on how to tread very well. I said, okay, mommy, pay me. God bless you, ma. I said, no problem, sir. So the issue now is that the one where they are abroad, that one they following, as they follow agbo, they go market, say, enough he born two for you without no marriage. It's not possible. You must marry me. And that one never go as before. So you don't know as a what be. Are you getting it? So a partner no as he want to do in life. Now I tell a person, for me, the one where they abroad go understand. Like, it's normal. And one thing about abroad women, let's be sincere, they have a good heart. They always have one soft spot. No matter their 10 or 5 minutes grace, no matter their madness, no matter their character, especially when a child is involved, they always let each go willingly and freely. But the ones where they has, I cannot vouch for it, sir. Because according to your word, you both have come a long way. Now I tell the person, why you not tell her, say, make it go? The person, Asaboro, it is easier said than done. Him as a man cannot tell her, Oma rehenukba. He cannot do it. They started from a crash. The same woman now where they are say, that one don't wait. According to a power, man don't know you. That one not green pack load and go. A person so tell for 2 years, he no go as. Hope he say, he go provoke, say, man, as he can't be so, I dey go my papa ass, or I want go see, find my own life. May you fancy you want to do your own. Are you getting it? Please, I'm on life, the caller. You understand? He say he no go. Oh, what's up, bro? What love on a tar? Where you are with the end bar? He say he no fit tell us say go for another man. He no go fit. As far as he no use his mind, come on and say pa. How you take day? We were like we going to tell what I'm out. Now cause say pa mi rewa e mama pa. Now we are something not there. Now you go make say okay. As you marry me abroad, no let you carry me come. No problem. Make I find my level. What it be 100 the way they give me for month or 3 or 500 pounds, as the case may be, for example. Wait, no, let me come out, go born my bikini abiamu. Now when the ground no level, akate no kate. Now wife wey dey Nigeria they say, oh da, alele, I go, I move. But if your body full, if you get skin, you know they go pa. Now say, pa, all this are what you don't talk. So if not true, how you tell say me come out? It go hard. Yes, the wife live in Nigeria. The number one wife live in Nigeria. The one we born, say he born for Laba 2. He dey Erwebo, Sister Ava. You understand? So, a partner come they ask me now, say, okay, how many years? I beg, you want more to my peoples. If you are in a past shoe, in this kind of problem, how will you feel? What would you expect a part to do in this very stage now? In this very stage. Yes. And how long, please, mothers, fathers, amiable husbands and wives in the house, no matter your age, it doesn't matter. How long does it get official age when man they stand rich or woman they wait rich for marriage? If pikin not come, he get one kind normal age range when go stand. If he not come before he go come out, or before he go away, or before the man go feel say okay, good or bad, near play go away. Let me try my best. He get normal age range when person they stay rich. I beg, if he dey, let us know. I am watching your comment. He's watching as well. You getting it? So a partner they tell me say he get conscience. He don't know what he want to do. He no fit tell that one say karate. But this one where they uptown go still understand. But you know, say some women based on the fact that she now have upper hand. I don't really understand how it takes the brave one, the good ones in heart, to maintain that relationship. It's not easy. It's not easy, we all know. She only d'accord because now she dey uptown. And I part dey uptown. And once she don't know now, say, Epa, you don't have any time. Imiamiona imagine turn am with the phone. Once she don't know now, say Epa get wife for us. Nigeria is a no-go area for Epa. Trust abroad women. We're here. Why your door? What do you want to go do for there? You still they go. That's we for you. I am not exemption. I am a woman. Okay, you should tell the wife the truth. Which of the wife he wanted? Because the two now wives now. The two now wives. Because the one where they uptown want to be away. More say that this one be wife now because Benin say na picking they say they get man. I be water. According to my dialect, there's a parable that says, if you're childless in marriage, forget it, you're not married. Even if say now one you born, yes, now you get yes. So the both of them now are now wives, my people. So which of the one a pa one can tell for inside? And the part of it go ahead do marriage. Okay, the one with Nigeria. Okay. I bet my that town, Michael, that also God bless you. The one in Nigeria. The wife in Nigeria. Okay, the one that is at home in the Nigeria wife. Okay, God bless you, Egbe. So, if a part tell the one with in Nigeria now say, my wife, how you want to tell her? To tell her now, it might not really be the issue. How you want to tell her? That be the problem. Definitely, we know say if I go tell her, but if I is then confused, like, how do I go about it? How do I tell her to her hearings or to her face? How can I face her? Because, I forget one part. If I say, when he can reach us, after that 2 years, based on say, he don't fuck up for this side, he don't settle himself as a man. If I need to stay with the one here, because now the one where a day Europe go deal with a part in the end of time. Okay. So, Epa can tell say, he tell the wife, as he go Nigeria, he can tell her, say, okay, as it be so, my darling, you don't beg me for years. No, we'll go for IVF, IBFF, I know good, but I don't think ask questions. Ask questions for abroad. They say, you know, they keep person a normal thing. If I say, tell the wife, okay, let's go for it. Just to please her heart. May he still boy, you know that he go fit tell her, say, now so it be. If I say, you gonna lawyer, we gonna lawyer, madam, saboro nothing. Just that everything was. Now I say, if I don't give a testimony where I waited for 30 years, after that, she's baby. If are you trying to tell me where or where my sister? He said the most years, weeks, days, hours, time, money where they spend put. If I say, if you see anybody where do IVF, TPK, he said follow and thank God. He said, my sister, follow and thank God. Or when you have social media, or where the stress, the journey, you know, the year. You know what I'm saying? He said he do it 3 times. 3 good times. He said, my sister, the money not even paying because now God they bring money come. He said, but that 3 times he can't they pity the wife when he marry. Make this woman not go die because of Pikin. He said those 3 times they were all abortive. They were all negative. Nothing good came out of it. He said, I cut and said, you see where I said talk and say I know they go. May not be like say I don't want to go. He said that the woman. He said and the woman is so Jesus. He said that they say woman get calm. He said I wish the woman said they misbehave now. Opportunity for them. If you not fit do one, he go you open one door for a family. They go help. He said but his wife not be like that. Now tell her say if he hear this one, you go know say he heard not correct. Yes, now say pa. If he hear say you pass it back, go the belekwa. You will not say I head not correct. Oh. You go no say I head it not correct, it not calm. That's not so women be. Because say okay, oh, no problem. So una they tell me now, let me tell the past say, may he tell the wife where they Nigeria, which I accept. But please and please, how a pa want to tell her? How a pa want to tell her? If a pa no go fit tell her, make a pa give her number, make her help you. Tell her make it pack. Sister, pay me. No, you know some relationship, not be to just go. Who know whether all the things where a part get for Nigeria? Now your wife, now they handle everything. Everything is intact because of that woman. Who knows? A part be a part today now because of that woman. Let's wait from both sides. Let's wait from both perspectives, man. Do you understand? The one where they abroad now, no fit go house. Go they do waiting the one where they Nigeria they do before. You know, see, I said this life not balance. Who they see frequent and constant life 24/7 in a week. You can't expect to make carry children we born for abroad go Nigeria. Go sit down because say I get properties. It's not possible. Everybody is useful in their own wings. You see why Epa is in a state of dynamis? You see why Epa is confused? You see? Please help us share this video out. Help us, please. We dey beg. We dey beg una. We're not the force. God bless you as you do so, please. That is for that. Then two, what exactly do you want Epa to do? Because Epa own, I told him, I said, Epa, if I'm on live, I will be raw with you. Or we play me raw, my sisters. Okay. Epa own was really that child. That was what he had wanted. Because so many people do not plan for polygamy. So many people, so many men, I must tell you the truth. So many men never plan for it. But it happens. Shit happens every day. So, Epa's issue was just that baby. Epa needed that child to be a full man, a complete man. No matter your weight, without children, forget it. Forget it. My guy, you do well, not be strength. Say, shall by strength no man prevail. We understand. So Epa on was just that child. But unfortunately, Epa met the wrong lady who needed a home, not just a child. Not be every woman stupid though. And the one you want your mono here cock your mother say. Epa say no reach 2 years before the other one just seen you. Now say, what are we not saying? So Epa did everything. Sorry, Epa, to like. God bless you, Sister Ivy, for sharing. Epa did everything to like discourage the one with there abroad. Epa no say na rock in jam. Na rock in jam. Not like Epa no wa where you were. So many men had made mistakes in the past. Permit my leave so. In the past, you will be thinking the time duration and every other thing due to greed and bobo tibo. That mo your dinner. No. Unweda javinagbon that you cannot retrieve your steps, or because of fame, influence, and popularity. I have only one family now in Europe for now. Okay, for now, you don't know what tomorrow will be. Don Pedro said, make Epa tell the one in Nigeria the truth, and also inform the woman family in Nigeria because of his age that there is no time. And he was afraid that his body was not functioning. Then he needs to try another person. Since they this your own. See, oh my talking Don Pedro. Right, bad person. Epa, can't go look Don Pedro comment. He just gave you the real way out. Epa, Don Pedro say, you should tell your wife in Nigeria, but before you tell her, first tell her family first. Like your family was on your necks, Ebo, get out. Your family was disturbing you. We all know how it is. When you're married, they have waited and waited and waited, still waiting. When you are not Jesus Christ, they are waiting for the coming of Jesus Christ. It's not easy, fam. So now you say, man, you play for abroad. It might be the fault is coming from you. You don't want to waste her time more than that. So, wait my now you say me you try am, as you try am, now you enter. So Don Pedro, if the same family come ask Epa say, you try am one enter, why two come enter? Wetin Epa will talk for that one? You know say Egbe ya ko bibi. Not be everybody foolish for family. Not be everybody money they buy for family. We get the good ones, we get the stubborn ones, we get all in one. It happens in all family. Not be say they hate you or that they're jealous of you. It's just their way of expression. It's natural, it's normal. Are you getting it? So if I really need your help now, Don Pedro, you've given me a sensible advice. Please, furthermore, sir. If questions begins to come up, wetin Epa can talk. You know, say some will come ask Epa and say, Epa, as the case may be now. After all these years, you not send and go. How you want to do our pikin now? That is the wife in Nigeria family now. Now Epa the face now. Abi? Good. So wetin Epa can talk for that one? I'm watching comment, please. Wetin Epa can talk, Don Pedro? Now see and say this life no balance. So Epa now no know wetin he want do. But wetin me advise Epa, I say me fair tell the one with dey here. Because now you dey see now. Na matter. Epa wo mo te agwa lo na we enu mie wo and they are good, isn't it? So enu we agwa lo eyin we agwa lo enu we mwege ojin la we pa. We matter no. So now tell Epa say, Epa just settle the one with dey here. Tell her the truth. Tell her what it don't prevent you from not marrying her ever since then. Things will fall in place. If who they can't cooperate, who they ask go relax. No tell ourselves truth. If who they can't get sense, things not too hard for Epa. Because now they come, now go make her soft or hard or worse. Or go make Epa your wrong. And anything we make man don't get one, join one, go make her tiri. It's the truth. You go make her tiri. Then Epa go let them know, say the happiness when you get at that time, he need more of pregnancy to recover the years he has been waiting for her. You said it all, Mr. Pedro. God bless you. You're really a wise man. You're really a wise man. I need people who have wisdom of Solomon to come and help me out in this issue because my skin no full. You know, full. Epa, please go through Don Pedro's comment. It don't happen already. Make Epa tell the both the truth. Who go stay, go stay. Who go. Okay? Epa, mommy pay me say, second. Tell both of them the truth. Who wants to? Yeah, stay. During the visit of the first baby, something come full inside hole again. It's normal. Epa had wanted that child. So it goes still full. Yes. And if you come marry the woman and you know can't born Isowe Baba. He must born Isowe Baba. So how you bale her? More tell ourselves truth. So Epa is just for you, according to my amiable commenters. They said, tell the both of them the truth so that you can be settled. If you can be big man, which is BP. That is for that. In this whole scenario, please, I need at least 5 people to give me or explain the word polygamy for me. I really want to understand it better. Because is it a modern polygamy or olden days polygamy? I want to know what is, in general, what is polygamy? Please, my pen and paper is with me. We all are learning. Because he must take good care of the new baby. Because opportunity come at once. Yes, so if I grab her, the woman to grab her, so who's for not be my fault. But the only place I think that the woman in Nigeria missed it. Sorry to say, you know, say some women are fast in reproducing system, like basbos. Some people feel be just once, you understand, pikin go come. Some need time. Some need 3 to 4 times normal banging in a week. A doctor will still tell you. So it all depends on your body system and your area of fertility. Are you getting it? Good. That woman, I don't really know. I don't want to add to your pain, man. You might come across the video. Please, tamper justice for mercy. You waited for a year. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 good years according to EPA. 14 good years of your life. You've been married. This same man does not live with you in Nigeria, although according to EPA, he say he always come often and often. Often is not enough, EPA. Often is not enough. It's either you take her along, go to move weapon. I respect and honor those men who get married in Nigeria, that jalopy their wife and come and put for us. I get with Boluga. Yes, most of the time it can be Italy, you can do that. Spain, organic, any marriage, any marriage or when it go Spain, Italy, Korean learning. Who again? Which country again? I don't really know much about France. England here too, they do. America, they do. They just marry, carry their thing jejely. Here the move. Are you getting it? So let's say countries like Asia continent is not like that. So you cannot blame those people if they are from there. If they are from there. You getting it? So for the fact that he goes home often, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, as I was saying, they come. Epa, you should have tell it to her face. Be man enough. Sit her down. We are in a social and a civilized world. In as much as you guys have done that IVF according to you, our member saw, I'm not a witness to it, and I've not heard from the woman. I only heard your story. And I believe you cannot lie. For you to call me, you cannot lie. You should have just sit her down, jejely. Tell it to her face. My lady, I loved you. But this love is not going to last forever without me hearing the cry of a baby in my own empire, in my house. I don't want to adopt any child. I want my own children. I be me, man. Please, it doesn't matter. I can say to you. And also, I wish you well. I want you to be happy. You are not happy. Let's forget about the pretense. You are not happy. You go to baby birthday parties. You go to marriage ceremonies. You go to naming ceremonies. You go to child dedications. My girl, are you trying to tell me when you get back home, you are still the same? You are not the same. Go ask who the fair pikin. I they be. Go and ask. Go ask a woman that is in need of it. She's due. She really wants to like, let me feed my baby. Let my children suckle from this breast. Go and ask. They will tell you how it is. What they have gone through, they will tell you. If you are opportune to be close to any, you will feel their pain. So, Epa, you should have told her because you know more better than her. You live uptown, you have more mentality, you have whatever. So that kind of a woman, if she kind of feel where you have pull left or push, are you going to blame her? No. You go try, she go try. She go try, look. Although, bange uku, oma get try, oma no do riene uku na, oma be atiti, oma be aboy, uku ma get pass, you know, if you get in. Eh? Some women, it's hard time you mona stand up, mona go na brain. If muko de, mona go spray with that they wash toilets. You are just there, saying it go better. Yes, the man couldn't wait for you anymore. Make it better. You don't go find your better mate in another place. Who lose? Now you. Maybe you are in your late 30s. You're in your early 40s. I know, no, not be me born you. I am just saying it for example. Eh? Who you want to go meet for deadline for late hour? Italo go say late hour. Wow, not too much for this continent. For your late hour, now who want to carry you for your late hour, madam? Madam, it is where Madam God go do. Madam, I am waiting patiently for him. You are not fast in reproducing. then you sign agreement with Akaterian. Maybe it come once, twice, 3 times in a year. Let's splint it a little bit. 3 months. And during this 3 times, maybe they do 2 months, a month plus, or at most 3 months. That's the highest an Akaterian can go for. Anything more than that, Ogyo fair. Ewebe gana ba my lady. Ewebe gana ba waga gbode na temata. Where take by ewebe finally not possible. Let's start the party or we pay. And I pack your load and go. I don't want you again. Oh, when me bear webo, you can't. The Chris. You want for me? Not possible. So most say the first 3 months, nothing happened. He back on again. Nyete. Another thing again. Oh, fa. For good 14 good years of your life, my lady. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Una they go hospital. Una don't take all waiting that they take. It not come out. It not come out. You know, yeah, I miss my period. And that kind of time, period can fool itself. You go up at 6. You the say you miss am. You not miss am. Go and check where. You not miss am. Na imagination. So can't get pregnancy symptom inside that problem. So go your full body like say ogele preg. Now lie. Now your imagination. You really want it to happen. You really want it to happen. Now imagination they worry you auntie. They too pregnant or man plague. You lie. Are you getting me? Good. That's for the ladies. We the ladies. That's for us. But a part not fit do that one. Oyibo say education is part of traveling. Some people will say, oh, mommy, you know me, oh, Oyibo not the bone. Who tell you so? No, Oyibo can't bone pass. You know, everything. Black go they imitate Oyibo. And the your born one, born two, born three, the rest. My team leader for work gets 6 children. He don't carry grandpicking. Britico to the core, not be misraised. Confirm Britico. 6 children. 6. Then you can't tell me so you born not the bone. If you say you born not the bone, can't you glad can't see? One you born the bone brekete like guinea fowl, like pig. We blacks in general, not just Nigerians, we sabi copy, we be copycats. They boy be a boom. They boy will baby friendly. Or you born on the bone plenty. Or you born a baby friendly. Or you born at this. Or you born at that. Or you born say and some don't copy them. Or you born live one for. Na more na the born one, born two. Or you born begin the born na own. Like in the days of my late grandmother, blessed memory, Alice, Mrs. Alice Emuzi. When they were born 14, born 10. Or you born begin the born like that. Or you born begin the born like that. The one way not fit born where they come they find one way they take thief na own journal make for plenty. If Oyibo don't like children, wetin make them they hunt single mothers children? They follow every angle. Any single mother will fail in her duty as a mother. Wetin make Oyibo they hunt and they go, they find them, they go, make they collect their children. Haven't you thought it wise? Now they think can. So I don't know, Epa. Tell now, sister will born for you for year if I know you or if me na you. I know they agree, 2 for gratis, also free. For what now? To be baby manufacturing industry. If I want her, you give her. So what do you want? If I will give you. Yeah, if I don't vest, I tell you if I don't day, I'll be very plain. What if she wants, you'll give her to her. And as we speak, now 2 of una days, who be fool? If I beg you. That one and for that. So as I've said earlier, I said, please, somebody, give me the meaning of polygamy. 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 We are educating ourselves, isn't it? Give me the meaning of polygamy. I really want to say something. Good afternoon, Mommy Mabel Ehi. Rita Ayedi. Good afternoon. Please, somebody explain to me the meaning of polygamy now. Please, I dey beg una. I want to know. Because some of us will be like, polygamy is a sin. Pardon my manners today. Polygamy is a disease. Polygamy is this. Good afternoon, Victor Asemotel. Polygamy is this, polygamy is that. Polygamy is neneni. Okay, good and fine. I really want to know the full definition of polygamy before I explain further. My own definition might be different from yours. So you let's do it a kind of collective words. I want to collect from you also. What is polygamy? One person with many. Many what? Sarah said one person with many. Many what? One person with many, okay. Many what? Many husbands, many wives, or many children. Please rephrase it for us, Baba or Auntie, Uncle or Sister. We really need to learn. Mommy Pemi, are you there? Favor Ajayi, are you there? Osagiede Osaro, please. Ebony Sharon, Easy Ipome, please. Somebody help us out. What is polygamy? Now there we do. I don't want to jump. It's step by step already. What is polygamy? Because so many of us have missed something or so many things. Social media of a thing is a good and a bad influencer. It all depends on who and where you are treading on. Who is your model? Who are you watching? And what are you learning? Is it the positive vibes or the negative vibes? Or you're just a passerby? You just cashing phone? You just want to look? So, what is a polygamy, please? What exactly is the word polygamy? When you say someone is polygamy, I want to know why you have polygamy, the practice or custom of having more than one wife or husband at the same time. Rita Ayede, sorry if I cannot pronounce your name well. Emokpai, okay, let me take that. Sister Rita Emokpai said, polygamy is the practice of having more than one wife or husbands. Good. So women do create polygamy too. Sister Emokpai, women too themselves, they say they do polygamy. Okay, it's when you marry 2 or 6 wives or husbands, having more than one wife or husband. Okay, a man married to more than one wife. Okay, let me pick this sister or brother Ike na Sonia or Roma. He said a man married to more than one wife is a polygamist. Yeah, Sister Ike na, God will bless you. This is exactly what I wanted. If you are telling me directly that a man who is married to more than one wife is polygamy in nature, my dear, you are wrong. You are wrong. Because there are some circumstances that warrant it. That's why I asked the other question, which I did not get an answer from it. I said, how long is a man or woman supposed to wait after marriage when a child is not coming forth before he or she can go their separate ways? I didn't get an answer to that. So let's use a part owner as an example now. Automatically, it don't turn to polygamy because you said if a man married more than one wife. But is all polygamy in nature? Was it just intentional or a coincidence? Or as in, I want to know, is there types of polygamy? And most of us will say polygamy no good though. I'm asking verbally, let's tell ourselves the truth. Is it what we always hear our parents, especially mothers? Our mothers tell us that polygamy, but as if when a papa has, they know the term now, they decide. Is it that was in our head or our mind that make us to say polygamy is a disease, is an incurable disease, or we had a terrible experience, or our very self have passed through it. I want to know. It's high time we start learning. Just 5 years is okay to wait for a child to come. Okay, 5 years is okay. Mommy Pemi said 5 years is okay. Okay. So everybody can go their separate ways. And if they are refusing to go, so polygamy can enter. That's it. Because Epa waited for 14 years. He couldn't tell his wife to let go. He couldn't tell her here. The woman couldn't use her breath to say, my guy, he move ahead. Or Makpa. She didn't go. She could not leave. So if you're telling us 5 years is more than enough for each and everyone to wait, for married couples or living together as the case may be, to wait for a child to come. If a woman at 36 is having issues like, okay, we are living in together, married, 36 plus 5, Mr. Sister, tell me now, is that not 41 years? So how on earth? Sometimes menopause starts at the age of 45. So how is she going to wait for that? How? It's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. So to me, 5 years is too much to wait, especially when age is not on your side at all. That answer is between the both partner, if they can wait for God's reaction. Okay. Mr. Don Pedro said, but as for me, I wait for 3 years. That is it. 3 years is okay. It's okay, oh. It's too much, safe, but it's okay. Because if you're telling me 5 years, it all depends on the age, Mommy Pemi. It all depends on the age of the woman or the man. We women will say, hey, na woman need pikin pass. Na lie, na draw. It get where man go dey rich. Na man will never stand gidigba. Go say, I beg time dey. Age dey my side. Now when man never balance, now age they always dey inside. Excuse me. Now when man never acquire what he want get for life, now age they always dey inside. You go say I be man. Now lie check in my heart. May it day as man they day. You go know so more they look yeah. They don't have to go their separate way. They can adopt. My sister, mommy mokba. Just every man they adopt pikin where you don't know where it for come. Adoption and my own no be the same. It's advisable though if the man is like, okay, let's do it. But a part own was like, I don't feel carry adopt. I know they adopt. That was a part own. Because a part knew he was fertile. Any man that know he is fertile would not want to sign that injustice with you. Any man that is confirmed fertile. Now let weakness, permit me to say this, man. Let's be realistic. Now let awake here, call it to Bini, weakness. Now go for adoption. It's only a weakness that will sign, let's do it. Because now you get the problem. Now you get the problem. We have no choice. Because if you still come on now, go carry Sebeke. As your wife in Nigeria never born now, it's time to tell her to go. If you didn't need polygamy, because wait more longer, have a child for you, totally you will become a polygamist. Epa confused. Not be say Epa for not telling me go. But Epa don't know I want to tell her. Now brother Pedro can't help Epa just now. You dey understand me so, Mommy Pemi. But the word generally, polygamy, now we dey deliberate on. Because most of us will refuse to see things from a different angle. We'll say, some go say, wow, lie, yeah, my pikin no go pass what I pass. Now every mother prayer, amen, I say to that. Some no go tell their pikin the truth, oh. Some no go tell their pikin the truth. They'll say your papa na bad dead though. After he marry me, he come back. Some now something they call something. More use a partner. For example, now a partner can go Nigeria now. God bless a partner. Or the time when they do IVF, I wish one just use mistake, they stay. Already a partner born for abroad. Now out of pity, Now if I be take go say okay. No say men sometimes they get heart where be say e good sometimes. Men are considerate sometimes in taking actions. Now let woman go say body. Assume me say na woman get this, na man get this problem. Woman no stay home, more tell herself truth. Now that woman go no say my family say my born. Age not them my side again oh. I not be small pikin again oh. Remote. Oh, I don't want to use my godfather pikin. He go say wait, let me think of one name. Kennedy. He go say Kennedy, oh, I dey go. Kennedy, I dey go. Kennedy, I dey go. They dark, they break, so fu now the shop. I no fit oh. That they go see Ngozi, he don't born to. Now me and Dangada marry. Go see the other one. He born triplets that day. Now after I do marriage money, I do. Well, they go Kennedy. Derek, I dey go. I go boo. No, I go see young. Because why? Now the man get problem. Because she don't tire. She's exhausted. And something they go, they function, not they produce. Go. Oh, greetings, ma, from my side to Antwerp. Greetings, ma. You understand? So, if I no go, you know, quick go on time. If I be the beer, my moku wine. That kind of stupidity, there's where many things. Women, muna not vex for me, oh. Now the truth, I beg. Now make me use pidgin. Because if I say he wants collective of different people, he want year, and therefore share the video, I beg, with the beg. You understand? So as a power can't happen now get fought. What do now call this kind a power polygamy? And if a power can't go Nigeria and I say okay, before no say some men, their matter, he pass kaya matter. Before a power say okay, before he break the news, good or bad, his wife never still know. Now see his wife now, both here, welcome, my husband don't come from abroad. A power say me still do vaga. If I can't do a mistake, or God can't shine light for the woman forehead, then only will feel one. He can't put smile for his face, he can't shout hallelujah. Polygamy never come. So you still back say the one way there abroad. Una no say we were there, but we can quickly hear what 50 euro. They must find information come for you. If you like maybe person we don't die, they'll go bring grave come. Maybe this one way there abroad don't hear say good or bad. Hepa, you lie. Somebody is there, so he need their own rights. You must marry me. No matter what they be. Oh, we bo no ga. Who no sabi? Now they for meet. Ebo we me ya guana baba. Okay, logo. That don't know see me have the one lele. Ebo logo be. I don't like what I hate, Joe. Do you understand? So. I don't know. This one, we go to solve this one. The word polygamy, according to our amiable Ikena, where he explained to us, says I be. My beloved people, sorry to shock you. Not be only man they do polygamy. Women also are polygamists in nature. They are. Yes, now me talking. They are. Sometimes we only they say na me ikbiama. Ikwe so ebe man don ibun. Ya o. If you ask me how a woman is a polygamy or polygamist, now the same way we mate do and woman te do. But we women we sabi paint our own. Oh, those we o even no do na imane de. Ebe ma go me. Na do dera. Was one akadera there they just anybody can buy it. So for me go get. You know do dera jo dera marry kobo me. Papa no give me shishi, no give me penny. He can't come out. I just use one. I want just stand myself for abroad. Okay. As far as not be the papa put paper. You buy a put. I just dey come. I not to understand, but I will go through your video again. Okay, Osas, go. God bless you. You buy a put, no problem. Wait, after you buy it, your aim was to be documented, which everybody know. Now, so would they do it for abroad? It's not easy for us. We understand. Okay. Wetin go happen to the male papa? He no fit do number 2. The male papa wey me and you know, he no fit do number 2. Auntie go vex, he go comot, or go find one way they go separate. Auntie go move again. Another 2 go born. It go born for another person. Now no be polygamy. They know they see woman polygamy. Now also man own that they see. Now also man polygamy that they see. My husband this, my husband that. They know they see woman polygamy. If not for say social media, when no let person hear word, we can they say 2 children, 2 papa, 7 children, 100 papa, 9 papa. What it be polygamy before? Una dey paint una own. More, let's tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Women also are polygamists in nature. Now this way, this way. This one. But we need to look to the causes of polygamy. In our parents' age, like our grandfather, grandmama, their own was like, the reason why the wives were, oh, my children, don't engage yourself. I'm not telling you it's nice, though. No, we are ironing issues. My children this, my children that. It was because your father was a poor man. You go around. I be wrong myself. Who was he? Ask me why. A man will have 6 rooms. You'll get 6 wives. No, 4 wives. More say 6 rooms. You'll get 3 wives. 3 rooms for 3 wives. 1 room for you. That's 4. The remaining 2 for children. Good morning, mommy best to Sas Oni. The remaining 2 for children. Oh. Some go on the sleep parlor. Tell me how those children go take they comfortable. Tell me how those wives go take they comfortable. Tell me why their mama no tell them say if una see poly, mona they run, leave the gami for road. Tell me. There must be problem. Problem must arise. It must. So there are types of polygamy, man. And there are causes of polygamy. Nobody, if a woman can like defend herself, excuse me, make you see reasons for the cause of everything she do or what she has done. Same thing goes to a man. Same thing goes to a man. I greet you, Ayela Collins. I greet you. You understand? Same things go to a man. But most women, they always justify their actions. Like, no. Because some men are hard in face. Like, is it gonna man a bado? I see a 1 year, Hell no. Some men are going through a lot. A lot. And now man, not the one may he has break. I talk with men often. Men, not boys, men. Now man, not the want may your marriage break. He go try all possible means to take make her walk. But once a woman is fed up, they know. You happy. Okay, my way soldier go soldier come. Don't just try me. Don't go tell himself. Who be you are you? Now when I move, no do I move? What be you are pum? Oh my working. No do I your wa. Ikba. Yagi just am be go meria. Yage. They can enjoy ye. Go and look at her. She's no longer in the same position where I left her. Who don't see it again? Now that feel back up boy that more. Worry ya. Oh tiny hair la pick up in it. Eso wa se mo. E ke no magi adia. Eso wa se mo ajo. Eso wa de. Oja ire. Alele. Oja. Alele be o ala ya we na se agbori ki. Alele. Oja. Enter. Oja follow. Ule wa kunyi moto. Worry, so ka worry where ya. Wa gbe 1 week wa se mo. The next thing worry legisi ni gba. Eko ina fian e. Eko na me. Women, no, I do love my Benin people. Eko nu me. Ewa ina fian e kasa. Oto ike mwe pize yi ya if you give me. For me, I can't send a man marrying more than 1 wife in the same house. You can't stay with a man marrying more than 1 wife in the same. I go run. That was then. Now our papa time. Now man they marry more than 1 wife. Though they 1 house. This civilized and social life is not possible. You can't manage. How can you manage? You can't manage them. Everybody day. You day your house, I day my house. And so. Abeg Diana. That do waje. Ewe bonoga. You they do your thing, they do my thing. Pray. Pray, oh sister, Osas good. Pray. May your husband be the type. Where be say if you don't your brain go say go make be. If not the type, if you see obiageli go rise. O ko no where are ben your amu gie wa omu am gie wa. Omu amu gie wa. So our prayer for husbands is like, Father, please protect them. Some pussy, some bekos are for fun, like, okay, let's just breathe in and breathe out. They are well, like 101. If you go jam with them, not the jam. Sorry, oh. If you go, that one go stay, go enter. You not go come out. So you see and say, now prayer is still the key. So when some women go say, any woman where they like, they say, now those kind of women that they rebuy, I don't see her, it too plenty, sister Osas, go tea. He make go when a friend was like, he the day well, yes, the day where he now that they call her pass, you know, pass. Agbero jaju ni ata yo gwa lo gwa ri oko gwa me make na le jojo jame ngwa wi me bie ngwa sal wa wi pa ba eder love ni wa ona wa gbera 120%. Come on body my sister ma gba mommy pay me, you know what we don't see. I often go ne kuta kaka no vekiri. Women when they say I no fit to if it don't happen. Egba manitana we put the mat. Manitani we I said put anything happen. Man at chest man on a conscience. Man we are just saying it for fun. You getting it? But no what time if he happen, I no go fit. This land go tear go enter. Now auto arriva on rien se ken hein. Hello. Awa marine. Ya hen iwe. Marine ya ma ya gbe wa. Ya gbe wa. Gele o gbe wa. You can't kill him. The deed has been done already. You just have to exercise patience. Yeah. So that's what I keep telling people. Don't hit your chest like it not go ever happen unless after you've given birth, una just go come all the things say if you see another woman not go function. And maybe some men have discipline. You know, some guys really have discipline for themselves. Say yes, let me stick to it. You don't see where men they use money to do abortion. Money, millions, thousands of nairas. They do abortion. You just see her. Come get at me. Come up from my front. Nonsense. Come here, come the nana pata. Especially these our European women. They don't date their body. A lady once told me months ago. She said, you know, say I don't stand my life for. Bon your own. Bon yon, not do this, not do that. Bon, I don't feel about the when you were. You born 2 for 2, papa. But you don't start polygamy. You want to follow me enter? Even if I repeat and I stand by my word, even if that kind of thing won't happen, I not be sent. I dey talk every 24/7. I dey pray Baba I get soon, but if it happen, I go chest down. Now for reason, I go chest down take day my day, take balance well, take reposition myself. I move. The way one man die before his wife no say 2 women born for her husband answer. My sister, that one if you pay me say the man don't die before the wife know, they know they die again before they know. Social media, oh God, they know they die again. They go enter your friends, enter your mutual friends, go fair who near the wife. Yeah, but the picture money getting boss. I have seen a lot, although I don't come out and a lot. Sometimes if you're my friend, you keep calling me, I can't pick your call. They telephone. Yeah, buezo. They know the man not they die. A week be money. My sister. Shine your eye, precious. Can you rephrase it? He said, my sister, maintain whatever you believe. Your energy will never attract such men. One thing is that many women don't have standard and are desperate to manifest low quality lifestyle in marriage. My sister, but the thing is that if I understand what you're saying, nobody pray to have quality low lifestyle in marriage. It's like you just popping in. Nobody pray for it. I'm telling you. No woman, nobody born of a woman want to settle for less. Pray you don't fall into situations. Pray. No woman want to settle for less. Especially women. Men can even take it. If you see men dating women that have children before, okay. Sometimes, maybe due to situations, nobody want to settle for less, sister. Nobody. Man wey head correct go carry woman wey don't forget 2 children. I was saying not be settle for less. Now 2-side story. It's 2-side coin. Nobody, I dey tell you, Sister Shine, nobody. Be you man or woman. Nobody want settle for less. Nobody. Okay, assuming woman can't they get there, you know you're the day person now. Just as that sister be so. You know quick come, Sister Shine. Go look the video from the beginning. Just as that sister be where don't settle down born to. Till now, let's assume say a pa never still tell her say he get wife for Nigeria. You want them say she settle for less? She not settle for less. Situation can warrant some things that you don't even expect for your life. What if they give you for dream you go back be? Who would reject it? Where am me or that one? You don't tell that person that he or she has settled for less. No. Imagine a man they date woman. You know say the woman don't born 2 for Nigeria. When we saw why a beer, boy, or what they intact like a married wo. Yeah, musu organic green oga. Then after that, Sister Shine your eye, precious. A pa don't marry her, the man don't marry her, don't put money for you. Come no say, go those days, go ask people we come 96, 90 something we come abroad. When woman are born, you know say if person born that time, if there's first sponsor, Sister Shine your eye, now you are the top toe. If you're the first sponsor, you know see, better say you don't born, so you know pay them their money. So women deny their children because of abroad. So along the line, maybe you can't see my way, you can't say I want to marry you. You go tell and say I like body jinieno. I can give you 10 instantly. 10. Oh, I like body jinieno. Now my mama last born. Okay. The man not figure the now woman they investigate man. Now woman they investigate man. Ogwalo emi ogwalo egbo ogwalo ti on mutu egie. Here he padi ason aninye. Wetin you want ye go here. But men not really get that time though. If you are parent na tori. Oh, yeah, why you swag? Why you Kenyan? Why you fear me? You understand? He don't marry and finish before you know, say, okay, sister, I say what is less privilege? Less privilege, yeah. He go, sister, shine your eye, Precious go explain. So, about don't marry and finish before you call no say e. So when you born this two pikin, explain there for me, sister, shine your eye. I must read your comment. Explain there for me. So you want to tell me now say the man na mumu na obe. Some men go say, wetin I go do? You don't already born for me. They go dey inside. Now some will come vex say, you lie. The home go come break. That kind of home will break. Now the man not go rest. May he sit down. He go still go find another person marry. So what are you telling me? You can't tell me that person husband marry. It's not possible. Dating someone that have kids is not settling for less. What about men that have kids are women settling for less with the men? It means you disparage women like because they have kids they are less. No, sister Shine, no, very far from it. I am using it an instance like no, no, come on, no, don't get it wrong. What I mean is that if a man marry a woman with kids, what is wrong with a woman doing the same? Getting married or settling with a man that have kids. Because you didn't come in on time. Hey, Bo, get out. You know how quick come. The issue was that a man got a woman pregnated. He born 2 children. While the man was married in Nigeria. And apart from the fact that he's married in Nigeria, you know, something like that happened. Something like that happened abroad. So the man is confused. He don't know what to tell the one in Nigeria. He don't know what to tell the one abroad. The one abroad is seeking for marriage. Like, I cannot feel born to for you gratis. You must marry me. So the man is confused. Are you getting me? So the issue now is like, is that we all kick against polygamy. Most of us don't know the meaning of polygamy. All we explain as polygamy, all we know as polygamy is a man that marry more than one wife. Is polygamy. So for the fact that this man is going to marry more than one, is this polygamy? Is this knowing and doing polygamy? Is this I will say polygamy? Sister Shine. That is what we have been saying before you came in. You understand? So that is what we want to know. Is that what you call polygamy? And there are many causes of polygamy. Most of us don't deal on the cause. Yeah. Most of us don't deal on the causes. All we know is just the polygamy. It's not good. But there are situations that prompt it. There are situations that trigger it. There are situations that walls around it that causes it. We forget the causes and we deal on the word polygamy. And most of us carried over because we are from it. Yes, we are from it. Our parents are from it. The fault comes from the man. Why? It not come out clear. Okay. That is it. That was when I asked the question, Sister Shine. You came late. And I said, how long is it normal for a married couple to wait for a child? If the child is not forthcoming, they should go their separate ways. Mommy Pemi said 5 years. Then Brother Pedro said 3 years. My very own self said 3 years. You getting it? So, a partner no fit tell the woman. My sister, you know, say it is easier said than done. Let's tell ourselves the truth. The man couldn't tell the wife at home, please go. All the 14 years of waiting, oh boy, let's be considerate here, man. How will you open your mouth and tell that kind of woman to leave? If she was your own daughter or your sister, how will you face her husband? Put yourself in people's shoes before passing judgment. We should start thinking uprightly, because this word of Bobo Tigbo has like I don't know how. I don't know how to put it. I don't know the good word to use, Sister Shine. If that kind of woman was my sister, all Joe were empty-handed. Only it's a different thing. I am a man so ginawe. In all day, kaka yo. Ohonu bo wa mune. Ohonu bo wa mune. Oma ye say. A man sending you out. Do you know what? Do you know the highest, the height of it all? Okwato boy pa egbe na hopiani. Ona mi adogmano. Things they go well with her. If woman by herself say, "Oja, ule, zai, ule," and move. Say now you can't tell her say because say you sharp. You don't try all way around the woman not come out, for example. Because say you sharp, you wise. Now you get sense fast. You call and say, "My sister, Oja, I move." That man will live long. Because everything about her, the woman don't know. He did the woman pan. A dark moye na oye lere. Oye bene. You know to. Eto, but bianito. Ego biani eto. So he himself might have thought it was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? All he needed, Sister Shine, all he needed from that Ohonorewe was just the baby. But the woman needed more than that from him. I don't feel born too for you. You say na picking you define. Not possible now. Be manufacturing industry. We are there, you'll find it home. The fault comes from the man. Why didn't it come clear? Come clear as in. Come clear how? The fact is that he lied to who? The both women don't need polygamy. It's the man that is putting them into the system. Okay. I will agree down with you. That is why I said we have many types of polygamy. We are both saying the same thing with different language, with different English. I said there are many types of polygamy. Then I asked a question. I said, what are the types of polygamy? I don't know if you know anyone. I don't know. At times, we should let go of things we don't want and make peace with ourselves. Relationship is not do or die, or let him go open up to both of them. After all, he is an African man, but making the other woman single mother is not right. My sister, you cannot make that one single mother. If now you agree, whether right or wrong. If now me I not agree, who want carry two pikin? Hey, am I there swim out? Who? If you can't leave that one now, Sister Shine. If a pa can't leave two mama for abroad, who you want give? We want carry children for you. Who? Now they have we are more there. Who? Sister. Who? Nobody go carry. Even if person carry, a bear do me sister. Or a bear value. Me where they talk to now, I be bad person. I may be yama person we not ready. Let him go marry both of them. The crime do the time. We'll rewrite this one again. Definitely, I don't know. He go marry the one where he fell, where he born. Because they already fell married the one within Nigeria. 14 years, not be 14 days, not be 14 weeks, not be biso, not be man you. So that one is being married to already. The one in Nigeria is being married legally, officially, and otherwise. She's been married to. You understand? But the one abroad now they say you must marry me. Are you guys seeing me or hearing me? A phone now listen. Hey, I told me go play has stop. Go play we buy a phone. Which kind of nonsense be? I need to get a phone now. It don't pass me now. I need to buy phone. You understand? If you're hearing me, I don't know. I don't want to close this thing. So some people fall into victims of circumstances. It's not willingly. Not because they want to do it though. Situations warrant it. Not because they are desperate or they want to settle for less. No. Sometimes nature calls for it. Sometimes they don't even know how it happened. They can't explain. Sometimes they find themselves in it already. They can't use the exit button. How can you tell a mother of two now to say, why my sister, why you worry? Please call me. Who is this? Lara Ben. I should call you. Hope all is well. Oh. I should call you. Hope all is well because sometimes I'm afraid for recording and not for a while. Okay? I will call you, sister. I will call you, sister Lara Ben. I will call you. You understand me? Your number. Okay, I will call you. While I do, my peoples. Just second. So you understand? We should learn to treat ourselves with peace and love. Women should support women, not only in distress at all. Support before the time of distress. There are causes behind that distress. No, let's do it beforehand. Yan is able to before is to before able. Why me, if my husband bring any woman in, I am checking out. That's my policy. Next. Sister Shine, you know they check out. Well, you know they go anywhere, sister. You know fit. You know why? May I tell you something? May God not let that happen. It's not our prayer. First amen to that one. We not pray put. We not pray put because it's not easy. Ordinary relationships, if they talk about say marriage where you don't already date, sister Shine. Ma, cause say, and mind you, the man is not bringing him into the house, more or less you checking out, not be replacement, not be change of shift on what they do. The fact is that pray against it, don't let it happen. Because if it happens, there is nothing you can do. Even if you check out, sister, say you just check out, like, okay, you are done. You have kids for him, isn't it good? You can't stay like that. So women go say, I go stay. Now after 2 years, you not go stay. Go call you say, man, oh, loneliness, man. I say, fenjo mo ya laku. Loneliness, man. Oh, where I tell loneliness, man. Why, where? So you must not remain like that. Nene mi yoka. Eri kokumba. Hey, you must do vaga. Or when they book so that's it. That's it, Sister Shine. Tell men to always come clear and clean instead of lying. Men can never tell you truth. It takes the wise, Sister Shine. I love this thing you just wrote. It takes the wise to just say, okay, this is like this. A man that is coming for you wants to tell you everything you want to hear as a woman. Everything. We are we are like babies. Though sometimes we pretend as if we are actors. Now we know, actors not they die. We are babies sometimes. A man coming to you knows what you want to hear. He knows what you... Come on. They not be small picking now. Now, even if one wicked senior person, they see he's not getting past person. And if he's coming, he will not tell you he's married though. They don't ever use that English for you. When we get to the bridge, we will cross it. Sister Shine, where? Sister, any man where don't marry or where get wife for anywhere far, near, close or far, anywhere behind or left, set angle. When one come marry you, he know tell you saying get wife. Either he tell you say they quarrel, or he never born, or if family no like him. That is if he even tell you say wife they so no go. And if you see someone they stand passing your boy, they are so outstanding. Where they I'm boy. Well, I defies it benine. we balame mone, we wene wo, we balozi we no go up where. Mother got you say I was married, but got a day. So my family, his children, my children, they can't say this, that, and now it can't happen, it can't come back. They must get something where they'll tell you. And we're not with Biokpan and Sister Shine. So that kind of situation, you can't check out. You check out. You check, okay, or you they are checking. You check out. We are here to check out. Yeah, I think when you go to Valachi, you know, you be value you want. Man, no move about one. Man, no more about. Oba go badia. Mo gwa loyo. Salobane sunu dani. I'm just giving instance, Sister Shine. You understand? So it's not some women's fault. So I begin to wonder when women will be like tearing women apart. Na ashi, na ukbo, na hustler, na this, na desperate person. He born for my husband. No, your husband na bado. Your husband, oh, go see your husband for us. You know say na unto. We promote transparency. The way we promote women to stay in marriages where trust is broken and lie is the order of the day. I don't listen to some certain takes of men. I stop. I find out myself and I don't give kids anyhow to men. God bless you. When I stop. A lot of man sweep your leg. Or maybe blind your eye. Hey, when I stop. Or I sweep your leg or not blind your eye, Sister Shine. Where generator stop? Pretty favor. God bless you. Where Jerry? I just want us as women, ladies, girls, sister, we are one. The issue here is the men. They are the cause of all this problem. If we can help ourselves as one, if only we can help ourselves. Yes. Because some men, really, if you see their appearance, you know, be like they don't feel married. Like me, I can't even give 2 kids to men I know will not keep me for a wife. Even one not good, talk less of say 2. If you manage do 1, let that one more abase, we know as uptown be. Just chest down, say this one are my own. I want to like settle myself abroad. I want to have all it takes to be a full citizen of abroad. Let me do this for myself. If it works, it works. If it don't work, alarale. That one are you. Are you the chest that one? Everybody don't forget that thing. Most, if not all, sorry. One person don't say one me, man, not they use everybody. Not everybody, but many people do it. Many people. Now this abroad I for no say that name whether they give children, whether they give us for Nigeria or more for one. In our hair in advance. Advance name igano. Webo or monagele for one. So if you want to be among your species, your peer groups, if you want to be among them, you need to do the needful. You need to do the needful. Just to get along, just to keep the body and soul going. You understand? But after that, you can't still fall for another one. My sister, you be also, you be zombie. Why? Go get out of here. Better you can't kill yourself because some men are unpredictable. Yes, unpredictable. They're unpredictable. Please, you don't need to blame those women that end up as... No, we are not blaming... Excuse me. Asenogwan Frederick, God bless you. Be you man or woman. We are not blaming ourselves now. We are bringing it to the limelight that there is a reason behind it. And these people who are the cause of this thing are the men. And again, not just them alone. We always say men are polygamist in nature. Men. Also, some women are polygamist in nature. for one reason or the other that are best known to them. I'm not here to crucify or criticize anybody. Or my phone me or me lag monfo. I'm waiting. I don't know what tomorrow will be. That's why when I talk some certain things, I wait because I don't know what my tomorrow will be. My propose, God dispose. Oh, sanyati. I'm not a perfect being. I am not a perfect being. I have always told everybody, anyone that cares to listen to me. But we always bring the truth to the table. It's high time we begin to know the truth. It's high time we begin to help ourselves. There are some marriages you think everything is kosher. Their husband get picking for outside. Some women who know how to keep their home, they go tiny like ozani ayak they go border fian. Ede. Some will prompt their husband to be giving. That's women who have godly hearts. Oh, we why are they like we get you? I'm not going to wire to because why do you have to back of fian. We why they get like do we have your money when on muere? Those kind of women are the double for one. Now get my kind of heart. We why muere? Get that to mama. Or we boom then or when a day breaking or we back. Or then where here where don't more then down or boa. And then down or boa or one boa. Uja degbe. A book on your boa. It's the truth. Sister. The child outside needs emotion. The child doesn't need to be deprived of the fatherly care. Hey, Matana, we are still saying the same thing. So who is to be blamed in all this? Who is to be blamed? My sister, if better men in Africa, women are not promiscuous. Ige. Sister, is belebo your meho. Say English. Don't say I go school like that. Promiscuous women. The men are not husband. What promiscuous? What is the meaning of promiscuous? Oh, no, you use this video to laugh or beg go. Many men are full of lies just to deceive a lot of girls. Yes. They can deceive us. Me money women. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm out of it. I will follow up. Now, so we go the day. We go still follow up now. So that's why we are telling women, please take it easy, especially those that stay in abroad. Yeah, it's everywhere abroad or Nigeria. It's everywhere. We should please take it easy with our fellow women. We should please don't see them as gold digger. Don't see them. Oh, anybody who is digging the gold is your husband. No gwale we marry no gwale can wa viere. So me ne na go bo me we ne. O ya we gbe o. Yo me ye pupe. O ya we gbe no woman wants to be second hand. In your day, anybody will just say, you don't know, oh, your moon, do ye? Can you read or marry anything about 4 years? I say, no, why? Oh, I correct me. I thought him. Women should stop complaining about this thing called polygamy. That is part of the African culture. Many are initiated by the ladies. This has a result of religion. Tell me about Solomon, David, Baba, Abraham. Let to be disciplined before complaining. Daddy, it is true though, but you came in late. What I was saying before is that even if polygamy or not polygamy, I asked or said, what's the meaning of polygamy? Somebody explained. Ikena said marrying more than one wife. But Pemi said her own. Other people said yes. Okay, good and fine. Then we now relate it back to our father's father, Teno. I said the reason why it was a disaster then. How can a man who have nothing to give to his family, rather than a farmland, get married to 4 or 6 wives in a 6 room, like face me, my even I have while again now 6 room. A man who has 6 rooms then now does this does one. You come get 504 Jonah. Then one pick up where they go farm. Now rich man then no. Abi, okay, that kind of man that the Bawosa will only give acres of land to the wives. The women will not manage to use it. This same man, any money we see for coupon, they good that. Or so the people will not be happy with the polygamy or whatever. And the big man, your mom will be a say, neck warm or wagon. Till you have 30 children. Till you have 30 children. Yeah, or you want wins the way you want when you post out what with children. Italy, Spain, France, Germany, abroad, UK, abroad, overseas. Oh, why what? I gave in a foul on your bow. Italo when you said that. But polygamy has taken a new dimension. Women are not complaining. Let's be realistic. The only thing we are arguing about, the only thing that is annoying women is that be you a man, if you are so bold, be realistic, come out in full, chest time, tell us the truth and stop deceiving us. You deceive us, may deceive us against our wish. If a woman is well prepared, you know, can I say be everybody. But be like, no, it's just only you. Enough happen. And you that is single-handedly married, now you are happy. Now just me and my wife. Do you know what your 10 years is going to tell? 10 years to come, do you know what it is? So we have to take things easy with ourselves though. Especially this marital problem, polygamy and whatever. Imagine a man that has a family here in abroad, going back home and deceive a young girl and pregnant the girl and leave her. Now so, while I be like bone straight, they finish. If you finish, another color go come out. While I be like you my now different grades that they see. AliExpress no different from Easy Hair Empire or different. Now different grade though. Now different grade now that they see for wahala. So that man now we can't go leave person for abroad, go give another person belle for Nigeria. Nigeria person must agree now to like them because everywhere here we born and though we born ma, I will not deceive you, my people. Any cake once no pama doyo. I'm a generator. We born ma, yeah, we born ma. Why we have how you receive? I can't work anybody. Then why I think bowa okpe. Then why I think bowa anybody. Then why I think low way. Then why I think low aro video. I would you na me like mom egbe we. For no ti pay go ba. Me go arrive. That's all. You live life the way it is. Nigeria je video. Ofo pasin deve na owo due to one thing or the other. No matter your ego, no matter a sin or we motor for you for in Nigeria. It man not possible. So that kind of girl they go give Belena. How you say me they do now? Brother Frederick answer me or sister answer no one. How you say me they do that kind of girl now? Now it good for second one, that be. Now it good they give Bele abi. Now you Bele sabi carry pikin abi. No sabi enjoy abroad. Many una get the one at deal. Una good, una nice, but una powerful. I don't know as if they tell Abraham, they tell Adam say, take up me shop, me your eye open. If was you could not bad donor. Adam is on our bragbe. On our bragbe. So you people should please, even if you want to lie to us, more than not they talk big one. They talk resemblance. It go near truth. So we from by ourselves use our tongue, take out our teeth. Yes. Excuse me. Well, by ourselves, use our tongue, take out our teeth. So that if the thing fall can't be, we'll know I will still take chest. How mean na we ya maneuver le bagbe ba okay. Ebwede. Those days was better because when our fathers they marry many women, there were no plenty unmarried women or single mother or one dog, you know. Who tell you say there were no married women? All those women wey come dey Lagos nko, Coco Junction, Ibadan, Akure, what did they do for them? Everything level, pick up here, pick up. You know that motor they call pick up. My uncle gets at that time. Level, woman. Are you getting it? So that guy person now, what do you want to say, Poshwan? Say you know all these days. They wrong. If you see all those women wey come abroad years ago, women not be all those. No say women dey singles dey. Some day wey born one, born two. Wabo here. My friend say fear. You understand? If you don't set, what did they carry them? They'll come maneuver. So come from there, they'll come maneuver enter abroad. All those 1990, 80 something abroad, whatever. May I tell you now? All the people when they say I'm going to Napoli, I'm going to Napoli to buy bag and shoe. What did they What do you do say they cause her? A stew. Why am I still away from it? Domu. Esho, sister domu. Iya ka was one domu sister. Yeta ni domu. You ni ya we no. You ni pa we no. Yes, says Alpha. Go. Go here. Eto we no ye kan Nigeria pe yako. Iya avion. And there what? Video je. We don't waste you on it, boy sister. Make it back be. Nya like your success. Your success la most you. On be mama. Oni say o, oni ma la na video. And when time mother. Okay, start no. Don't venture. Sister, Oma, Agie. So sorry for the distraction, my friends, my mamas, they just came in, and now so we see. You understand? So that's how it's all generated. And those days, our fathers, our grandpapa, if they want marry, more tell ourselves the truth. If they want carry woman, can't join woman. They know they lie. Oh, I don't ballet for them. Do you talk as it be? Unlike these days, though they lie. Now these days, therefore they learn. That make the thing they hard. That make it difficult for them. Those days, most say Mr. Idaosa or Mr. Ohen. Sorry, Mr. Ohen. Want go bring woman, can't join woman for us. He go you call the one way fair day. You sack mama oh. Maybe that you sack mama they cook today. He go cook for her. He go call the other one, but so no, not be who they cook, not be get bed. I don't say they share at that time. I mean, how they cook get bed. I don't know. He go say, okay, come. I want your talk to una so. I go, yeah, do. He go say, they carry one wife. They come. Mama Osakpama come look, Mama Anyayo. And Mama Anyayo and Mama Osakpolo, they be not they play before. Now that time they play go contact. Oh. Now that time Mama Osakpolo and Mama Anyayo play go contact. He go say, if na Mama Anyayo be audio, he go say, you gotta to speak the Benin. He go say, after all, not be the first one. My body don't master now. Oh, be like Bediane. Mama Anyayo go say, well, be like Bediane. Na jena, I'm setting na jena the bodo mubai. Oh, that you weary. That one go come shut up. Agele they'll come rest. Oh, now that time Mama Anyayo come to respect Mama Osakpolo. Okay, now the cook get bed and here God bless you, Jane. So if a pa can go carry Mama Amadasun come, they'll come be tiri. Mama Anyayo and Mama Osakpolo come be paddy. And they'll come the time one apart. They'll come they go to Nenemi August meeting together. Yeah, yo sapolo. Obo weje. Obo kera me. E mobo. Obo ma. Du wa ri e. When ya ju gbe kale na. Oma, ya be lesa di we oni ekin. If okay, he don't go. Then the army boy wey just new come. Do kon kokere. Ye kokere yo ni so ni se ga ton. Emi kere auda. Na ta e pa okon love an we. E pa de un ta yin fa na un ta. O we ni ya ma gin ajo. Eni ya ma to wa re to. Un ta ru ni ara. Before you know it, mama anya mama madasun. I will see wo. Mama madasun don born you. It don't finish. You see, I say a pan no lie. I say they carry the coin, go just cut the coin, tell them the real truth. But this generation, they don't know why they know they see truth for mama. Really, they know they lie them. The one way my papa go marry come, join my mama, when it be one kill my enemy, and my mama enemy, not be so my papa go carry some from nowhere. It's just the way it is. They know they had that time. One they don't decide that they are 504. That was yes. Then they can't see graduate, they can't enter best 190 be V-boot. When they don't enter that they are V-boot. Why? Well, I cannot use any of those women marriage to emulate how my life and marriage could be. Now, all these men will never feel care for themselves. One can take 2 to 4 wives. That's where we are saying now, shine. We are not saying it that it's our portion. No, we are enlightening each other for us to learn, see the causes of it, and know how to put an end to it. Know when a man is lying. It's like a doyon now. Okay. Know when a man is lying. Know what to do and how to escape it. It's a narrow escape. It is a narrow escape. Are you getting it? So that's the way it is, Sister Shine. I never see this generational man where go come tell you say, as the case may be, I love you. Not be say I don't love you. May I first deal with the one way I get for one, may you go. They will come back and say, you know, they will not tell you anything about that one. They will lie. Like say the devil, if they lie, say devil go to fear them. Devil go to double for them. And you must follow unless you mark her like unless you not first send the guy, unless you not first the iron, unless you not get criteria where you need in a man. Now you say, now that woman for the shop. Any woman where see man where till they find they body get criteria for guy sharpie, so you must fall victim. Almost to fall. You must fall. You know the sharpie so I way smart girl so I way big girl so unless a guy man mini way or who no win girl man me koi. A woman can be gallant. A woman can woman fit to say be boss because why? You not like that man. You go they call her mugu. You not like her. You know you like her at all. What is the define for man, but the one not there in you. All na 0.0 equals to 0. You understand? Men of these days like past Buhari, my brother. Buhari Moya. But if you like that man, you not go even wait me explain further. What you can wait? What be telling me? You not go wait me explain further. But anybody will not go tell you say because he's a motivational speaker or in a wise person because he is doing well or very you can't tell you say Master, you were too quick. You should have studied very well. Then they graduate. Then they graduate. You don't study, you finish. They know they graduate. They know they graduate. And they tell you they don't graduate from it. It's not possible. You can't graduate. Now when you don't like the person, you say, guy, man, look at first. If you like her, well, case one kiss say, where? I bet more forget that. You know, tolerate like they only share. No, tolerate like they share one year. Yeah. La ho. I say, man, that's no way. You're when I feel that video. Now women will make themselves cheap. Master, no woman cheap. Sha, no woman cheap. If you say woman cheap, Toto Dike cheap. Toto Dike and my dear, if you say woman cheap, now women will still even get facial good look. 9 day expensive. But ask me, say, I not be tense of their look or whatever. Because men are afraid to go there. They are afraid. It takes the courageous in heart. So he got it cheap. They're not cheapy, sister. They're not cheap. Forget that thing. No woman cheap. No woman cheap. That's where we are. No woman cheap. You want to tell me say woman now say woman cheap, say you cheap. You can't go friend who you know you get one thing in it for. Now Okpo, if now Okpo say if they're carrying her for Italy here control, you know why they not when I control. If they're controlling, they're not they pay her. They'll pay her now. What the God away, but you go know. Not tell yourself truth. No cheap woman. A woman can be cheap and stupid to a man she likes or she loves. That's when the cheapness and the stupidity comes in. That's true, man. Come on. No woman cheap, oh sister. Man, they're cheap, yeah. Now, only God they help women of these days. Women of these days, now then they carry the home. Yeah. Black women are desperate and cheap. If they are not cheap, how come they're having babies anyhow for men that don't give two fuck about them? Sister Shine. Oh. Pray it doesn't happen to anybody closer to you. When woman are no sick or my get better emigan. No gear who back or if he let you do, Sister Shen, you go carry her the eat chest, say yes, you be oduga, or you bono de con ebwede. But if he don't let you do, or you go teme or teme plan, or mami go ya establish. No, we got here a plan. You understand? No, we got here on a plan. Pray may you not jam, Sister Shine. Pray may not happen to anybody around you. Pray may not happen to you. You know say professor not get sense sometimes. Wait till they teach you. Now paper is for the reader. Pray may not say. You know say it's easier said than done. Munu log on akbe. I am advising them, Sister Shine. I am advising them in the way I know and the little I can give. That is why I need your opinion as well. Add it to my own for us to have sense. Oyibo must say learning never ends. You might know better than me in this field. Do you understand? Add your own to my own. We are going somewhere. We will help ourselves. We will get there. You understand? I know everybody have a story to tell. Everybody have a story to tell. Assuming it never happened at all. It happened before you wake up and shake up the beast. It don't happen before you wake up. Abi, it happened, Abi, it don't happen. It happened. It happened before you get sense. Now they always sing my song. Ẹ̀rẹ̀nígbè wọ́wọ́ kan wúmẹ́ mami ẹ̀wọ̀ wúmẹ́ o ẹ̀fẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ọ̀rẹ́ máa rèrèrè ìzẹ́gbẹ́ o. It don't happen to you, Sister Shine, before you get sense. Abi, I wish it not happen at all. You dey talk now say yes, superwoman. No, almost to sunu. I feel also it only takes the grace of God Almighty. Only the grace of God now they help us the survivor. So, anybody, anything happen to, all we need is courage. We should support each other to get through it, to come out of it, to see the way out, to see the light. Yes. Nothing I never see for dark men body before I have to create standard and use people mistake to learn instead of waiting to be a victim. Yeah, that's true. But most black men are still the best. I'm telling you. Shine your eye, precious. No, true. The best women are those really going through rubbish in the hands of these men. Some women don't have patience because of kids and what the world will say. Yeah, your voice sweet for some. When is your album coming out? We should stop trying to be a victim first. My sister, nobody wants to be a victim of circumstances. So These thing circumstances, this thing victim, it happens in different dimensions. The way where your own thing happen, my own not fit happen like that. Oh. My own fit be different thing. Oh. Sister Ashayo, my own fit be different thing. Eh? I dey tell you, my own fit be different thing. Now prayer, not just prayer. Say make God help us. Are you getting it? Okay, good. So back to Epa the catastrophe. Epa, here when it time away, they said I should tell you, you need to hear people's story. Yeah, if everybody begins to tell you their story, there will be no space on social media. There will be no space on social media. Some people's story go reach season 1 to 95, some season 1 to 100, some season 1 to 70. Also with the men too. Men, they say our story to tell you, say, if you see what the woman do me, oh, you see? So if everybody have story to tell, everybody have story to tell, but there will be no space for us in the cyber world. You understand? Now I understand you. Now their polygamy is found mostly among the lazy people in Europe. Oh, Epa, no. No. Polygamy is not found among lazy people in Europe. And I don't believe there is a lazy person in abroad, except that person hasn't gotten the ability to work. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Let me use Italy as an example. Unlike my amiable country, Italy, God bless that land for us. Doesn't our lazy? In Winaro, yes, because of one, the language barrier. They will not accept you the way it is because you can't speak fluently. You can't speak Italian fluently. That was where my beloved brothers found that job called shoroting. They became shoroticians. They became beggars on the street. Buying and selling. Are you getting it? And faithful God blessed some with the works of their hands. Some made thousands of it. Then some were really lazy according to your language, your English. Some were like, amen, oh, yeah, beg you. Yet he beg you. You know, never. Thank you. My video they call cure depression. Thank you, Jenny. Help me to share it. May still cure other people who are beg. Help me to share it. Let them like and follow my page so that depression will be relieved. We really need to stop it. You understand? God bless you, Jane. You understand me, so Epa? So, like, unlike here in the UK, I don't know what that lazy person do. Because they are all stuck up working 12-hour shift. You see a man coming from work, entering work, coming out, going in. You don't get your time. He can't be lazy. Ebero, almost one win. A man on a bear, a man and a bear, because everybody is equal. You must work. So, like other countries where there are no job opportunity, everybody must lazy like our fellow Nigerians, like Buhari made us to be, as if we are really lazy youth. We are not. See them, they came to Germany 6 years ago. The serious ones are working where they they misbehave everywhere. Oh, I understand the more good women are, you will suffer that why you have to create standard. And yes, a soft woman, sometimes it takes the soft ones are easily hot. I understand. No one you honey, Nedia Media to Zeni, Eya Badu, Eya Dobalena, Eya Guana Grigri, Eya Legbena, but when all what tap our Itawa and Otalo, no. Oh, my brother, Wemma. Only where all him was said. Oh, my brother, were so women, where do I woogie? Here at Talo, here at Tico, Lily back. Yeah, we are at Tico before. Never one line or what. Eh? You want it all, Ebo, again is swing. Any gas may complain. We are here. Go a web on our mobile easy video. Our matalo I setting. Depression and less. Atal of a webo. We are especially UK now. Umira, Umije, wedding in a window. Use your walk. Ugano, one, you are 7 banyo because you know boy. uga no tell you egbe me yare ma se na ise wana no de ke do fin ma ye ko ogwe no nu umi obo wala dun ala wala hin wala me ya bie odo are agbe wo no kwa fi o ma re school no be ya fi o ke school e fun ya na gwan we da we microwave re I wujo awo ke oni enati wa jere na o phone I working the next morning. Is that life? So that is this. And the women are desperate to settle for less. That's why my sister, I'm not desperate to settle. No, they talk that thing against that shine. Nobody desperate to settle for less. So one settle by, they don't be amen or settle by. Then one more no job. They don't be amen. What is it get for abroad? One, especially this our community of abroad. One man, no when I work in it, to be a guale me and then I hear me. I work when you carry that before the man. No be any amen and settle by. Koku ba ni na no fika kan so ba aheni ya ojo mo aye sister ya no na so so mo go tell you aheni na so ya Mr. Mokba we present ma sister Rita Mokba. Okay, president, it's not bad. So what bad is it? What do we do? What we do? Oh, not already, right?